Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor presented by Prophetic Solutions team. I am Sanjay. We are learning VueJs tutorial for beginners in Hindi and this is our part 23. In this video session guys, we will see some simple programs in Vue CLI concept and those concept actually depends on our previous video sessions. Okay, and also guys, if you are a beginner to this channel then please don't forget to subscribe and keep watching our previous video sessions of VueJs tutorial. And all the codes guys actually we have uploaded into this GitHub repository. You can download all those codes from this link. Okay, so just back to editor. इस प्रोग्राम में गाइज इस वीडियो सेशन में हम कुछ देखने वाले हैं, कुछ बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स जो कि हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो सेशन में पढ़ा था, जहां पर हमने व्यू के प्रोग्राम को एक यूआरएल के थ्रू किया था. ओके, सो उसी कॉन्सेप्ट के जरिए हम यहाँ पर कुछ कोड, कुछ प्रोग्राम करने वाले हैं. सो जस्ट ओपन अप app.vue फाइल. ओके, एंड नाउ दिस इज app.vue. ओके, मैं क्या करूँगा गाइज, जस्ट वी हैव टू रिमूव ऑल दीज थिंग्स फ्रॉम हेयर. ओके, एंड ऑल्सो लेट्स remove this id section as well. उसके बाद just remove this name and also let's remove this style sheets as well. Okay, so मैं यहाँ से remove कर दूंगा. So just remove all these things. Okay, उसके बाद guys अब हमारे पास एक simple div element है inside this template. Okay, so basically let's first of all इसे हम print करते हैं. So just make copy of that and let's say message. Okay, so if we save this file and now here as we can see the message. This is the very basic simple concept to render any property inside this template. Okay, तो हम क्या करते हैं guys, एक array define करते हैं, उस array elements को हम यहाँ पर render करने वाले हैं. Okay, so just I'm going to define let's say students. Inside this students it's an array. Okay, इस array के अंदर मैं कुछ students की list करने वाला हूँ, like something let's say संजय, रोहित, राहुल, रमेश. ओके, सो दीज आर द स्टूडेंट्स. अब बेसिकली गाइज हम इस लिस्ट को रेंडर करने वाले हैं अपने इस टेम्पलेट के अंदर. ओके, एंड जस्ट वी नीड टू चेंज दैट. लेट्स से दैट वेलकम टू ऑनलाइन वेब ट्यूटर स्टूडेंट्स. सो जस्ट कॉपी दिस property name, go inside your template and let's say that within this paragraph tag or just get rid of that and define a ul tag. Okay, so inside this ul tag we have to define a li tag. So let's say li and we are going to use the for loop. Okay, so for loop guys use करने के लिए जो हमने basic concept देखा था that is v for. Okay, and here we have to define the key. Key is nothing, key is the individual value of that array. Okay, so let's say student in students. Basically this students refer this property and this student refers individual value of each student. ओके, सो अगर मैं इस वैल्यू को अगर प्रिंट करूँ समथिंग कॉल्ड लेट्स दैट स्टूडेंट. ओके, सो अगर मैं सेव करूँ, जाऊँ ब्राउज़र पे एंड दिस इज़ द स्टूडेंट लिस्ट. सो ये थी बेसिकली गाइस कि हम लिस्ट रेंडर कैसे करें. ओके, सो जस्ट बैक टू एडिटर एंड नाउ अब हम क्या करेंगे गाइस कि कुछ मेथड्स बनाने वाले हैं, कुछ मेथड्स के कॉन्सेप्ट को देखेंगे. हाउ कैन वी डिफाइन मेथड्स इनसाइड दिस app.vue कंपोनेंट. ओके, सबसे पहले मैं जाऊँगा दिस डेटा प्रॉपर्टी के नीचे. उसके बाद मैं डिफाइन करूँगा डेटा, sorry data it's not methods, it's okay. So methods, inside this method property we are going to define our own function. Okay, so let's say that say hello. Okay, this is the function that we have made. Let's say function, and basically this function will take some of the parameters. Let's say daytime. Okay, and it will return, let's say return this dot daytime. And also let's say that good concatenate with the plus symbol. Okay, so if we save this, just copy say hello function name, go inside template और मैं यहाँ इस function को call करने वाला हूँ. So just within this curly pairs let's say hello and inside this function we have to pass a parameter called daytime. Okay, so let's say that morning. Okay, so if I save this, back to browser. Okay, we have an error and error is something called this dot daytime. Actually हमें this use नहीं करना है guys because this is the variable we are getting inside this function. Okay, this is not the property of data object. So just back to editor, मैं क्या करूँगा इस this को यहाँ से remove करूँगा. This is our silly mistake because ये जो daytime है guys वो parameter हम इस function के जरिए read कर रहे हैं. We are not reading this variable inside this data. Okay, so अगर मैं save करूँ, just back to browser, again we have an error and now Actually, I think that error should be that we have written not the exact function name. Okay, so just back to editor, and we did also silly mistake, it's function. Okay, so if I save this, back to browser, and now this is good morning. Okay, why morning? Because we have passed the morning parameter. If we change something called evening, if we save that, good evening. Okay, if we change something another value, then it will change according to that. So this is the very basic concept about to define the methods inside this app.view component. Okay, अब guys हम कुछ computed property को define करने वाले हैं. Okay, so first of all, let's that inside this data object अगर मैं कोई parameter define करूँ, let's say first name, and let's say that online web only. Okay, and last name, last name, it's tutor. Okay, and also let's say author name, okay. So basically we have defined, हमने 3 parameters define किए हुए अपने इस data object के अंदर. Okay, and now we have to call all these variables, all these properties inside our computer property. Okay, so basically मैं क्या करूँगा, just underneath of methods let's define computed. So basically guys, ये वही concepts हैं जो कि हमने अपने previous video session में URL के through read किया था. Okay, so इस computer property के अंदर हम कुछ properties define करने वाले हैं, let's say OWT hello. Okay, so this is the function that we are making, OWT hello, and this is function, let's say function, and now let's say that return this dot first name concatenate with plus symbol this dot last name, and finally given by and the author name, so let this dot author. Okay, so why we are using this? Because guys we are calling all these variables from this data object. Okay, so इस data object के अंदर से किसी property को call करना हो, so this dot means basically we are referencing this component. Okay, so inside this component we are reading all these parameters, all these properties inside this data object. So basically जब भी हम लिखते हैं like this dot, it always refers inside this data object. Okay, so इसके किसी property को हम read कर सकते हैं by using this dot. Okay, so let's call OWT hello inside our template. Okay, तो हमने अपना computer property define कर लिया हुआ है. So just back to our template, and now let's say that within this paragraph tag हम कॉल करेंगे अपने computer property को. Just paste our computer property name, and remember guys about methods and computer property, actually computer property does not contains any parenthesis while calling. Okay, यहाँ पर हमने computer property कॉल किया हुआ और यहाँ हमने कोई parenthesis पास नहीं किया हुआ. This means that this is a computer property. Okay, so if we save this file, go to browser, and now we can see that online web tutor given by Sanjay Kumar. This is all message we are getting from this app.view component. And also guys, one more thing about the JavaScript is that we are using the current latest advance of ES6 script. Okay, so in this script we need to remove this function. Okay, so अगर मैं इसे remove कर दूं according to our ES6 concept, अगर मैं save कर दूं, just back to browser and the output will be same. Okay, so here we have used the concept of ES6 function definition. Okay, function declaration. So basically guys, ये है उसी concept को हमने use किया हुआ है जिस concept के help से हमने अपने इस data function को define किया हुआ है. Okay, all we have to remove this is the actually declaration. All we have to remove this function from here. Okay, and this is the concept of ES6 script. So now guys, we have seen all the concept about a component and all the properties, all the methods about the computer properties, how can we define and use inside a component, all we have seen. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वीडियो सेशन से गाइज हम ये कोशिश करेंगे कि हम अपने एक नए कंपोनेंट को डिफाइन करें और उस कंपोनेंट को हम अपने app.view कंपोनेंट में इंपोर्ट करके उसके फंक्शनैलिटी को कुछ इंक्रीज करें और अपने कुछ मेथड्स और कंप्यूटर प्रॉपर्टीज और किसी मेथड्स को हम डिफाइन करके उस ऐप कंपोनेंट को यूज करें. So basically we have completed our main concern of this video session, that is about a simple program in Vue CLI. Okay, so from next video session guys, we will discuss about user defined components in CLI project. Okay, so if you have any doubt in this project guys, then just drop your comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day.